Here we go again. So my door lock is frozen as well. See, there's the ice on it. Can't open it up. There's ice over there as well. Works. We're free. Don't want to be there. Okay, so now I'm ready to go out. Let's go. Let's go. So that was our Christmas tree. But first what I need to do, I'll get shuffle, clean a little bit, make a path there and there. Then I'm gonna check my sewage system, make sure that it's working properly. I will need to start the car. That's where we're feeding the birds. Really easy to clean. Seems that it works. Looks like it's all good. It's pretty warm over there, I guess. I don't know if you can see, there's a steam coming out from the sewage system. Okay, all good, still works. So it's gonna be another day like that tomorrow. By the way, my water pump is not frozen, it works fine. So that means I've done a pretty good job. Okay, so I cleaned the path there and there. Now it's time to try start the car. Let's have a look at my glow plugs. So there's the one glow plug. To make sure that it's touching. That's I would zoom in to see that. There's another one, it's not connected, so I only got 2 glow plugs working. And lately I start having issues with the starter. Okay, so first I make sure that I heat glow plugs a couple of times. And one more time. Because I know it's only 2 cylinders working. Okay. So now it's not working. And that's the starter motor. I've got a solution for that. I've got a screwdriver. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna manually turn on my starter motor. You're not gonna start the engine. Okay. Now let's try again here. Right, I need help because someone has to turn the ignition key, and I have to do this. Get it.
Bonkers.
We made it. Okay. Heater on. Oh, it shows only -16. So it is a 16. So it's not that bad. So I can't use that card because I took the wheel out and tried to change the shock absorber. And now it's too cold to do it. But I've got this card working, so that's fine. It's a beautiful day. I feel like my mustache is getting frozen. Okay, let's back to work. I need to replace those switches. I've got them here. They're only 3 in use. So I'm gonna replace 2. I think this one is alright and these 2 are no good. So I'm gonna replace with this. I'm gonna connect them properly. So the way it goes, this one goes like that. See here I connect 2 into a 1. So I'll need 3 of those. So now I need to cut 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's almost done. So that's it, all done. So I'm going to change water filter. I'll show you how my water pump looks like if you haven't seen it yet. So I put another 5 centimeters of insulation and there was -21 and it works fine. Okay, so I'll need to take all insulation out. Then I can change the water filter. So the filter is over here. I'm going to open up the filter from the bottom with this tool. Okay. Have to put camera away. I open it up, so there's going to be some water there because the filter is full of water. I have to make sure that it sits properly at the bottom. I have to get that in the middle of the filter, so that's the hardest bit. Once I get that right, that's it, done. That's it, all done. Filter is changed. Make sure there's no leaks. And that's it. Now we're turning on my water pump. You can hear it start running. Should start pumping water. Let's put things back together. Just make sure it's nice and warm in there. Right, so with this room here, I'm going to do exactly what I've done with that one. So that means ceiling, walls, floor, windows will need to go out. We've got new wires ready. So there is for sockets. And this one here is going to be for light. Hopefully no more routing logs. But I can expect some under the window. It feels like there should be some. Okay, first of all I need to do is just sort out my chainsaw. Let's rock and roll. I need glasses. So now to finish this bit. So now I've got access from that side because I took the ceiling out. Do all plastering and insulation over here and over there. Once I've got that done, I'll take the walls down because if I do it now, it's gonna be a lot more dust. Okay, so I finished the bit that was missing there. It's done. The red one, the red plasterboard is resistant to heat, so that's why I placed it around the chimney and obviously over our fireplace. Okay, so next step, knock the walls down. So I've got this membrane. So I'm gonna put it over the doors and use staple gun to put it in place. And then it should be much less dust over there because it's gonna be really loads of dust.